The party don't start till I walk in.
Nice hat. Thanks. I was being sarcastic. Well, I stole your face.
僕の力はね、避けられないんだ。僕は数字のある人間を好きな方向に吹き飛ばせるのさ。先に地球の裏側に行っても。
Tree powers activate. Notice me!
It's up to you to make that call to drop the bomb. Yeah, drop the bomb. Just drop the bomb. Let me see that bomb.
Whenever Kaiba smiles, a puppy dies.
Hello and welcome to Standing Up School. And you fail.
The hell is his problem?
I don't know. He's acting worse than you did when you tried to cover your farts by coughing.
Okay, welcome to the PTA meeting. On the subject of school lunches, I know there's been some concern about nutrition. We've had complaints about the soda machines. And I have spoken with the school board. Is there something you'd like to say, Mr. Griffin?
We're gonna destroy you, Red. Hope you're prepared to lose.
We're always prepared. Well, not to lose. I just meant prepared in general.
It's time to try defying gravity. Kiss me goodbye. I'm defying gravity, but you won't bring me down.
Where, let the baby work it, move your tush it sexy. Where, let the baby work it, move your tush it sexy. Where, let the baby work it, move your tush it sexy. Where, let the baby work it, I'm an evil bitch, baby.
Let's go say hi to Senpai. Oh, Senpai, where are you? I'm coming for you, Senpai. Don't you be afraid of me. You better not been messing with my Senpai boobs, Mackenzie. You get out of here! He's mine! I'll murder you. I shall murder you all.